The 2019 Flair is set to prove once again why Fleetwood has been a trusted household name for more than 60 years. With 320 horsepower, a 6-speed transmission, and running on the 6.8-liter Ford Triton V10 engine, this Class A gas is ready for any and all family adventures. You can bring together the whole crew for some quality entertainment at the multiple LED TVs located inside, or gather around the exterior entertainment center and its 50-inch TV. Style and function come together in the kitchen with solid surface countertops found on select models, well appointed with brand name appliances, and stylish cabinetry for all your ingredients. And when it's time to eat, the whole family can gather around the roomy L-shaped dinette or booth. In the master bedroom, you'll find a king-size bed with a decor-matching bedspread. Plus, select models feature an abundance of underbed storage space. There's also plenty of room at your disposal for storing clothing and essentials. At bedtime, family and friends will have room to stretch their legs on the Flair's versatile sofa, transformable dinette, and innovative above-cab Hide-A-Loft bunk with its 600 pounds of capacity, each working as extra sleeping quarters when the occasion calls for it. Never an afterthought, the bathroom offers an enclosed shower and even more cabinetry to hold the day-to-day necessities. In the cab, an automotive-style dash rack comes complete with a drawer and additional pull-out workstation. Tight spaces are no match for the color backup monitor, and relaxation comes standard with ultra-leather reclining driver and passenger seats. Not to mention 6-way power controls found on the driver's seat. The Flair 32S, 34J, and 35R feature a multiplex control system that is centrally located to allow you to take command of most of the electrical features, including interior and exterior lights, awnings, holding tanks, AC system, generator, and more. And with USB ports conveniently placed throughout the coach, gone are the days of searching for a place to charge your devices. The all-new redesigned Flair offers travelers a fresh look and feel, and comes standard with features and amenities typically found on higher-end coaches, like large LED TVs, stainless appliances, a residential refrigerator, stylish cabinetry, and more. All of this and more comes packed into convenient floor plans small enough to take you to the tightest, most secluded destinations. At our world-class manufacturing facility in Northeast Indiana, we offer daily plant tours. And at the Decatur Service Center, we've recently constructed an owner welcome center to provide a peaceful oasis for visiting customers. Best of all, every coach is built by hardworking, caring individuals that have your best interests at heart. So no matter where your travels take you, we're with you each and every mile. From all of us at Fleetwood RV, thank you for joining us on this trip through the 2019 Flair. We're excited for RVers across America to see just why Fleetwood continues to be a family favorite.